Here is Circle Locator app. It's quite a trending app these days, as a lot of apps are trying to rediscover alternatives to Zenly app, which was shut down, and now you can see this app where it's one of the easiest and simplest way to stay in touch with your family all the time. Circle Locator. Add your loved ones to your circles to always be aware of their location in real time, track their movements, and get notifications once they arrive at the right address. Our app is made for your comfort and your peace of mind. Now you can use modern technology and improve your convenience. So that's you can just see how it looks like. And yeah, you can create your places, link them to circles. You can use real-time notifications, join circles, and invite relatives to them. And then you can create circles. The one disadvantage of this app is just because it's quite limited in the free version. So here I can just enable my location, can see places, and if I want to do anything basically in this app, if I just want to add place, anything, I just need to upgrade, and the upgrade is like $20 per month. There is a 3-day free trial, but still it's pretty expensive, right? Or you can do $70 yearly subscription, and then you can just go to map as well. I just want to create my new circle with friends, for example, and then I can see that it also requires a subscription. So there you have it. Or yeah, so then you just see you can enable incognito mode. Again, everything requires subscription in this app. I would really like if there was just like like a free version with limited functionality but usable, where you would be able to try out the app. But there you have it. So at the moment, that's what it is. You can easily delete your account, you can change your name, you can change your profile picture, but that's what it is.